Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this beautiful wig. So just comment down below if you love the color and if you love the style. There are two different colors, so just comment down below if you love the style and if you love the colors. And then also if you're interested in any of my wigs or these ones, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. So guys, I'll share with you a tutorial on this. I'll put the link in the description box down below, so you can go check it out just in case you are interested. They're very light and also beginner friendly. So this is how it looks on the sides, like this. So if you wear it right, this is how it's going to be. If you wear it like the right side, this is how it's going to be, like this. The corners are going to face forward like that. But then if you wear the other way around, it's going to be like this. So the braids are going to face down and they're going to be like here, there, and this other side is going to be there. So like it's like a two-in-one style.
Hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad y más solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, crecemos en número, solo un trueno de horizontes.